What's something your ex did that backfired on them horribly? My ex went full psycho when she found out my fiancé was pregnant, even though we'd broken up 8 years ago. She literally bought a retired baker's entire Instagram business account just to get close to us. Made it look totally legit too. She reached out to my fiancé offering to do our baby shower cake and cupcakes at a huge discount, said she was building her portfolio and wanted photos of the event. The whole thing seemed like such a lucky break at the time. Thank God my fiancé had failed her glucose test that week. Doctor had put her on a strict diet, no sweets allowed. Otherwise she would have eaten that cake like everyone else at the shower. Found out later the cupcakes were laced with something that could have caused a miscarriage. Several of our friends got really sick. During the trial, we learned she'd spent months planning this. She took baking classes just to make it convincing, studied which ingredients would be harmful to pregnant women, everything. Police found all her research when they searched her place. She's in prison now, but sometimes I still can't sleep thinking about how close it came. And the craziest part is, she held on to that hate for 8 whole years before trying this, when it was her fault our relationship ended after she went to jail for trying to poison her coworker.